Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Tinda Makayla from MTSN 1 Klaten. Oh my friends, have you ever heard the stone cry? Here, I would like to tell you a story about the crying stone. Folktale from Indonesia. Are you ready? Let the story begin. Long time ago, lived a girl with her mother at a mountain near a town in Kalimantan, Darmi. Darmi is very beautiful. Every day, she wears a makeup and her best clothes. She always wanted to be rich and beautiful. She never helped her mother. She is very lazy and spoiled girl. She spends hours in front of the mirrors doing her makeup from morning until evening. Wow, I look so beautiful. My skin is glowing. My eyes are sparkling. Honestly, I should be a model. I'm a beauty queen, I'm just beautiful me. Who says I'm not perfect? Who says I'm not worth it? Who says I'm not pretty? Who says I'm not beautiful? Who says? One morning, the mother asked me to accompany her to the market. My dear, would you come with me to the market today? We need to buy some food. The crow wrinkled her nose and replied, Why? Why should I go? Mom, I don't like the market. It's dusty and full of common folk. Ew. I'll buy you new clothes if you come, said her mother, hoping to persuade her daughter. Hearing this, Darmi said, Okay, fine, but I don't want to walk beside you. You have to walk behind me, she declared arrogantly. With a sad heart, the mother agreed. So Darmi walked in front of her mother, and her mother followed behind her. The girl and her mother looked very different. The girl looked very beautiful in her pretty dress and makeup. She looked like a princess, while her mother looked very old in her simple dress. On the way to the market, people greeted a beautiful girl and asked who the old woman behind her. One of men there asked to Darmi, Hey beautiful girl, who is the woman behind you? Is that your mother? And Darmi said, Oh, what? She's my mother? No, she's not my mother. Didn't you see? We look so different. Darmi do it again and again. Her mother was very sad, but she couldn't anything. She offered for the insult. Then she said to Darmi, Darmi, how could you keep telling those people that I'm not your mother? And Darmi said, Oh, come on, Mom. I have to do that. If they find out that you are my mother, they will look at me. I look so pretty, while you look so ugly. We look so different. Her mother's heart was broken. She felt angry and said, Enough, Darmi. You hurt me. You must honor me as your own mother. You're so arrogant. The mother prayed to God to punish her daughter. Oh my dear Lord, my daughter's been too far in hurting me. Please, give her a punishment. And God answered her prayer. Suddenly, the sky changed into darkness. A thunderstorm came. Slowly, Darby's leg turned into stone. Wait, what? What is this? What happened to my body? What happened to my leg? Please, forgive me. I regret all that I did to you. I am so sorry for her. I never do it again to you. Please, Mom, forgive me. But it was too late. Her entire body had turned into stone. From her eyes, tears continued to flow. Until now, people can still see the tears falling down the stone. That's why the stone is called crying stone or batu menangis in Bahasa. Okay, I think it's enough for the story. From this story, we can learn to respect our parents and never hurt their heart. Thank you for your attention. See you on the next change and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.